Hello, Porter and York. What's for dinner? Oh, ho, ho, ho. That, my friends, is much more than dinner. That is an event. You are looking at the very best USDA prime, full of flavor, boneless prime rib roast that you could ever get your hands on. Now here's how you treat it. 5 ingredients, plus a little butter and some love, if you know what I'm saying. First up, season that soon-to-be unforgettable meal all over with some salt, you guessed it, some pepper. Don't be shy about it. Get in there. That's it. Now it's salt, pepper, garlic, rosemary, and a little bit of thyme, and we're gonna mix that in this butter, and we are gonna rub it all over this meat. Got it? Good. Now we're gonna put it in the oven, like this. And when it's done, you're gonna turn that oven off and you're gonna leave that roast just sitting there with the door closed for 2 whole hours. And you know, take a little me time. You earned it. And would you look at that? After 2 hours, man, it's hero time. That is gonna be the best tasting, melt in your mouth meat you have ever put a knife into. So simple and so good. So thank you, Porter and York. You have made me a legend in my own kitchen.